You access the Google Calendar by going to the Google App Square and select Calendar, and it will bring up the calendar with today's date. You'll notice on the left-hand side of the calendar, you have all of your own personal calendars and the shared calendars available to you. And so I have both the high school and the middle school on this account, so you can see both of them. You will just have the school that applies to you showing up on the left-hand side of your calendar. You can deselect any of the calendars that you want, and then simply click on them to select them again so that you can see what's available. To make a reservation, you click on the date and the time you would like to reserve, and it's going to bring up this screen. You want to select Edit Event, and then you want to look at the right-hand side of the screen and select Rooms, and it's going to show you all of the available rooms carts that you have an option to reserve. Let's say I'm planning to reserve the high school library. I click on Rooms and high school library does not show up. This is not an error. It means that somebody else has reserved the high school library for that time and date, and so it's not available. It's only going to show you the rooms or the carts that are available. And so if it's not there, it's just reserved by somebody else. So make your selection. And once you select it, if it's available, it's going to show up under Participants. And then you need to go over to the left-hand side of the page, and you need to finish the reservation. I would like you to sign out using your last name and the hour of the reservation. This way, when we are very busy and we can just look at the calendar and we can see who's needing the room or the computers and when they're needing them. Make sure that you check and correct the time and the date. Make sure it's the correct time and date that you're looking for. And then you want to make sure that it says high school library. That's the item that I'm trying to reserve. And then it's going to say your name under calendar. You click save, and then it'll appear on your calendar. Now, when you go to save this, it's going to show two reservations, one for the library, and then it's going to show up on your own personal calendar. So you will have two blocks, colored blocks here, one for the library or the computer cart, and one for your own personal calendar. If you need help, please stop in the library, and one of us will be very happy to either make the reservation for you or to show you how to do this reservation on your own. Thank you.